Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, we are going to address a water flow issue here on this Moen faucet. This one is only 8 months old, I would say, on this filter. And the flow is pretty trashy. It used to be a lot more, but over the next few months, it'll definitely get worse to the point where it will dribble out like this. And I'm sure some of y'all can relate. So in this video, we are going to remove the restrictor from the little piece up in here. What do you call that thing? The restrictor, the flow restrictor. And we're gonna go ahead and show you how we do that right now. The first thing you're gonna need is this wonderful key right here. If they don't provide this to you, you can buy it on Amazon, but you'll have to make sure that it has the right key set for it. This one just happens to be the green one. And this is what you'll do. So if you look underneath here, in this little restrictor filter, you'll see the little key slots. You'll have to pardon the little bit of buildup in there. There you go. And this key will fit just like, get it in the hole. Got it?
Got it.
I don't know.
Lefty loosey. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
All right. So we'll go ahead and keep unscrewing that and remove it. Stay with it now. So estimated time to do this whole job is literally 5 to 10 minutes. And there you go. So that's the piece we're going to take out and work with here. So first thing you do is just go ahead and get yourself some handy little pliers. Just a little bit of pressure. Be careful. You don't want to crack the little orifice. Take the first cap off. Oh, well, hold on. Some focus here.
These are the two pieces you want to pop out of the nozzle here. Now, if you look at the faucet.
Oh, got some squirt action.
Plenty of power. Now you just put it back in. Righty tighty with your key. Get it out of there.
Still screwing.
If I can get it. There we go. Jesus. Nice and tight. Okay, so now
Look at all of that flow. Yeah, and then you don't even have to turn it up all the way. You can just, and there you go. So if you guys are worried about how much water you may or may not be wasting, just don't turn it up as high. Because I tell you what, this thing will eventually get to the point where it's literally dribbling on your counter, which is not great. And so now that's halfway, there's all the way. And it is simple as that. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and show your comments in the video below.